opening, lao friendly warm tone. Hello, my friends. Welcome to Learn English Whole Day. Today's topic is Speak English without fear. Train your brain for fluency. If you feel nervous when speaking English, if you forget your words, or if you worry about mistakes, this episode is for you. We will practice shadowing together. You will listen to me and then repeat exactly what I say. Speak out loud. Yes, even if you are alone. Section 1. Why fear stops your English. Fear is normal. Everyone feels it. Even native speakers sometimes feel shy or nervous. When you are afraid, your brain focuses on mistakes, not on communication. Here's the truth. You do not need perfect grammar to speak well. You only need confidence and the habit of speaking every day. Repeat after me. I can speak English with confidence. Again, I can speak English with confidence. Section 2. Train your brain. Your brain learns English like it learns music or sports. First, you listen. Then, you copy. Then, you repeat. This is shadowing. When you shadow, you are training your brain to think in English. Repeat after me. I am training my brain to speak English. Again, I am training my brain to speak English. Section 3. Real life practice. The coffee shop. Imagine you are at a coffee shop. You want to order a coffee. Listen and repeat. Hi, can I have a coffee, please? Hi, can I have a coffee, please? The barista says, Sure. What size would you like? Repeat. Sure. What size would you like? You say, A medium coffee, please. A medium coffee, please. Barista. Would you like milk or sugar? Repeat. Would you like milk or sugar? You. Just milk, please. Just milk, please. Section 4. Real life practice. Meeting a new friend. Imagine you meet someone new. You say, Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name? Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name? They say, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. Repeat. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. You. Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? Nice to meet you too. Where are you from? They. I'm from Canada. And you? Repeat. I'm from Canada. And you? You. I'm from Brazil. I'm from Brazil. Section 5. Positive mindset sentences. Repeat these positive sentences after me. I am improving my English every day. I am improving my English every day. I enjoy speaking English. I enjoy speaking English. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes help me learn. I speak with confidence. I speak with confidence. Section 6. Tips for speaking without fear. 9, 30, 11, 0. Here are 5 quick tips. Repeat after me. 1. Speak every day. 2. Listen and shadow. 3. Focus on communication, not perfection. 4. Learn phrases, not just words. 5. Smile when you speak. Closing motivation. You are doing amazing. Every time you practice, you are training your brain for fluency. Repeat after me. I can speak English without fear. I can speak English without fear. Thank you for joining the Real Life English podcast today. Practice this shadowing exercise every day for 1 week. You will feel the difference. See you in the next episode.